Hi, this is Merritt with Creative Social Media, and I'm going to show you how to create a certificate for your homeschool graduation simply by using Microsoft Publisher, which is a software program you may have on your desktop and maybe you didn't know how to use it or what to use it for. What we're going to look at now is, you can see I'm already in my Publisher program, and I'm going to look at the available templates, and what I'm looking for is my award and certificate section, which will give me a wonderful selection of certificates, and you can choose here the style that reflects your school best. Once you've chosen that, click on Create, and this will give you a new project in your Microsoft program, Publisher program, and you can then customize your certificate's colors, change the text, you can delete items that are unwanted on this certificate, you can add your own clip art. Later on, I'm going to have a tutorial on how to make yourself a school logo, and we will put that on there, our school logo. First, we're going to show you how to customize the colors, and you can do that very easily by going to Page Design, and they have preset colors. If one of these choices suits your school colors, you can simply choose the one that you like the best. Now, if you don't care for any of these colors, you can go instead to your drawing tools, and once you have an object selected, you can change the colors of that object. You can change it to having no color at all, which is what I did with the shape fill there. Now, if I go to the shape outline, I can change the color of that Celtic design there. And that looks very academic to me, so I feel happy with that. Then you're going to go in and you're going to change your text to reflect your school and your student name. Now, if I want to change the text, I'm simply going to go in here and I'm going to put in here the name of my school. Once the wording reflects your school and the type of certificate that you're awarding to your student, in this case it is a graduation certificate, a certificate of completion of the required course of study. You put your school name on there. Ours is Creative Learning Academy. You can delete unwanted objects. For example, I don't really care for the line, so I'm going to click on it, and once it's selected, I'm going to hit delete and it'll be gone. I don't really like this line. I'm going to put something fancier in there later, which will be another tutorial. I'm going to insert my own clip art into this section, so I'm going to delete this also. If you decide that you want to move an object, you simply wait for your little four-sided arrow, and you can move that object around. You can move that text box, and that box of text will easily move, and you will see your little guidelines. If you get off track, Publisher will try to help you align it with the other items by giving you a little purple line down the middle. You can change the size of your text by going to your home page and looking at the size of your text here. Your font size can easily be increased simply by clicking on the bigger letter, bigger number, and if you get it too big, you're going to need to change the size of your text box, but we have lots of room now because we deleted some items. So we stretch it out, and then we have the text is bigger than it was before. Now I have my colors customized, my wording is the way that I want it to look, and I want to insert my own clip art, so that's what I go to. I go to this section to insert my own clip art or picture. In my case, it's a picture that I want to insert, and it's right there. So I'm going to copy and paste it, but you can insert it from your picture file. For example, some people I've seen put a photo of their student and then realign their wording appropriately, and that looks really nice too. In our case, we just had a little seal that we made for our school, and I wanted to include that on my certificate. So I'm going to insert it there. You can copy and paste into Publisher if you have that selected as being able, as one of your choices to paste from different programs in your computer selections. So once you've done all of that, you're going to save your project exactly as it is. Now, I save mine as a PDF file. Go into the File section, Save As. It will allow you to save it as a Publisher file, but I have found that it's easier to access it and to print it if I save it as a PDF file.